All right, it's recording.
We are at Guion Farms in North Carolina.
We're at Dupont State Forest.
Yep.
Yep.
Something's different this time.
A lot different. Where's my truck?
Finally up my game so I could be the one to climb these mountains and get these mountain bikes up here.
Gosh.
I changed out the ride.
Holy cow.
Yep. All-wheel drive.
A Subaru?
A Subaru.
Oh.
The
What is
Wilderness Edition.
Outback Wilderness Edition.
All blacked out, black tires, rims,
Oh.
gold trim.
Wow. Yeah, you got the gold pops.
Yep.
Is that 24K?
Yeah, baby. Matches my chain.
Shoo. All right. So does this mean you're gonna ride better now?
I've got all the gear and it could up my game.
All right, let's see.
Feeling confident.
So we're gonna go, I think the first thing we're gonna do is do Hickory Mountain Loop.
Okay, oh cool.
It's our first ride of the trip. We just got here yesterday and we're gonna go do Hickory Mountain Loop, okay?
I love Hickory Mountain.
All right, we're on Hickory Mountain Road. Headed to the Hickory Mountain Loop. We're gonna do it counterclockwise today because I like going down the other way. Cool?
Yeah.
All right. So check this out. We just got to the entrance to Hickory Mountain. What do you think? This is a sign I've never seen on a trail before. Should we go or no? What do you say, go or no?
I say we go because I'm not too scared of bees or yellow jackets.
All right.
I know that sounds weird, but and we'll just go by peacefully and
I mean, typically if you don't bother them, they're not gonna bother you.
right. I'm not giving up the trail because of a yellow jacket nest.
All right. All right, we're climbing up Hickory Mountain. Beautiful day. Lots of leaves falling. Most of the time, we're riding flat. Florida. So it takes a little bit of time to get used to hills. Everything just looks so steep. But after you've ridden here a couple times, it doesn't look so steep anymore. First day or two is the hardest. All right, see if you can make it up this. Here we go. I went off the trail.
What's going on back there?
Scrubbed a rock. Wind is really picking up. They're calling for thunderstorms around 3. It's noon right now. Down Hickory Mountain. Yes. Whoa. Yeah. Trail's in great shape. Phew. Oh yeah. You got it. Nice. Woohoo. Yes. Yes. Ooh. Smooth. Buttery smooth. It's snowing leaves. Ooh, yeah. Hop it. Drop it. Hop it. Hit it. Yeah. Phew. There it is, the end. Phew. That's it, stop right here. How was that?
That downhill is fun.
It's not bad, right?
No.
You were starting to think it was a little too hard and then it ended.
Yeah.
Let's talk about those shorts you got on though. What the heck? Seriously.
I finally decided that I don't need padded bike shorts.
No, what is that?
Oh, these are papayas.
It's a papaya?
These are made from recycled plastic water bottles, actually, but yeah, those are papayas.
Could someone please send her some real riding shorts? I'm surprised those hornets didn't chase you with all those papayas.
I've tried forever to get riding shorts, but these are the most comfortable, so I'm sticking with them.
All right, we didn't see any hornets.
I know, we didn't see any.
Nope. All right, cool.
I'm glad we went past the sign.
All right, here we are, the entrance to Ridgeline. When's the last time you went down Ridgeline?
Oh my gosh. What year are we in?
I don't even know.
2021
Yeah,
now?
it's 2021.
Probably June of like 2017?
No, not 17. 2018, probably.
Yeah.
It's been a long time. All right, cool. You're gonna kill it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a much better rider now than you were then.
All right, let's see.
All right, I'm gonna get a good follow cam. Let's see what you got. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Just ease off the brakes. No brakes. All right.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. This is the hardest part, these rocks right here. All right, let's go. Lots of fun berms. Seems like the traction is gonna be good. Horse crap. Top part's always the rockiest. Yeah. Woohoo! Now we're rolling. Nice. Nice. Now we're flowing it. Yeah. Berm City. Ah, it's in really good shape. Nice. Whew. Yeah. Flow City. Oh, it's so packed. It's so good. Wow. Dang. Yeah. Easy now. Woo. Nice. Big berm. Woo. Man, she's getting more air time than me on this trail. This is my favorite part, from here all the way down. It's a little narrow, it starts to get really, really smooth. All right, here we go. This is it. Bring it on home. All right, ride it out. Yes. Humming. Hubs are humming. Pump bumps, berms. Cut it. This is it right here. This is the flowy part. Look ahead. Watch the trail. Nice. Ooh. Wow, it's in great condition. Woo-hoo! Right when I said that. That's a lot of downhill we just did. Down Hickory Mountain and down Ridgeline all in one shot.
You feel it burning though.
Yeah, it burns the top of your legs. All right, how was that Ridgeline trail?
That was awesome.
It was good, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
I knew you were gonna like it. You hadn't been on it in so long.
I know, it wasn't like, it definitely is really smooth and flat
Yeah.
and fast.
You're just a better rider now. You're like rolling, even though you haven't done it in a while.
Mm-hmm.
You're just more comfortable on your bike. That's my opinion.
What do you think? I got a little air on
Yeah.
a couple?
Yeah, maybe I'll show some in slow motion.
Ooh.
Check it out. Look at
So,
this.
One was a tail whip.
No, you didn't whip it.
I
No.
feel like one was a little cocked to the side.
All right, we'll go to Canuga and you can show us how to whip.
Canuga. Huh. All right.
All right, that's it. We're gonna
How
go.
about you, babe? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was
I
fun.
know you just want to open it up and
I did,
fly.
but it was okay.
Yeah.
There's plenty of opportunities to open it up.
All right, cool.
All right, we're gonna go up Jim Branch possibly. Or we can, depends on how long you want to ride today, we can kind of take some other trails.
Okay.
But I like to go up Jim Branch and down Hooker Creek.
Remember that time you went up Jim Branch? Was it 9 times?
I think it was
So you
7.
cleared it?
7. I almost quit mountain bike riding forever.
You are determined, though.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can do it.
Okay, cool.
Up Jim Branch.
All right, let's go. All right, we just climbed up Jim Branch. Now we're gonna go where?
We're gonna take Isaac Keith. Looks like up.
Yeah, let's go Isaac Heath. I haven't done this trail in a really long time.
Yeah.
Many years. Let's go try it. Look at the leaves snowing. It's just snowing leaves and pine needles. That wind's really picking up.
I'm surprised. Not too many bikers. I've only seen
No.
what, 2?
No, it's unbelievable. All right, how's the bike riding?
It's riding good.
Tire pressure's good. Suspension feels good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, it's looking good.
All right.
All right, let's go.
Okay. We're going up Locust Trail to Waterfall.
Locust Trail. What waterfall is it?
Grassy Creek.
Yep, Grassy Creek Falls.
So
All right,
we haven't been there in a while. I love waterfalls.
All right,
Let's see how it's looking.
let's go check it out. All right, going down Locust. You. Yeah, look at this. Woo! Yeah. The barn burner. Yeah. Nice. That's Lake Imaging Road. Yeah, we'll just keep going hilltop.
Good. Did you see me open it up? No brakes, Kate.
You did what?
No brakes, Kate.
No brakes, Kate?
Do you like that speed?
Are you no brakes, Nate, sister? Yeah, you did good. All right, let's roll down hilltop. This is down hilltop. All right, so where are we?
We're at Grassy Creek Falls.
Grassy Creek Falls. What is it? It's just a nice little waterfall.
It's really beautiful. It's tucked
Yeah.
away and it seems to be a less popular spot.
Yeah. It's not one of the big raging waterfalls here, but I would really, really enjoy this spot right here.
Yeah, it's very peaceful.
Yep, and it's a fun ride here. I think I'm gonna try and ride down it.
All right, let's see you do it.
Nope, not gonna do it. All right, I think we should start riding.
Yeah.
It's getting cloudy.
It's getting breezy.
Yeah, all right, let's get out of here.
Okay.
We're at the intersection of Buck Forest Road, White Pine Trail, and Thomas Cemetery Road. We're gonna go left at White Pine. I'm feeling the need for speed.
You want to go first then?
Speed, not yet.
Or I can try and...
When we get on
it up.
Hooker Creek Trail.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's go look for some speed.
All right.
I'm chasing Kate down Hooker Creek Trail. Let's see how fast you can go. Don't crash, go fast. No brakes. Seat down. Shocks are open. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna give her a little room on this one. Woo! Little chattery. Yeah, it's a little washed out. Definitely not as smooth as usual. All that rain kind of got it blown out a little. Whoa. That would hurt. Nice. All right, cool, that's it. How was your ride today, Kate?
You got it on? Oh my gosh.
This is it. We started right here.
It was a great ride. Hickory, Loop, Isaac,
Locust,
the
Ridgeline,
waterfalls.
Jim Branch.
Yeah, we actually did a lot.
Yeah. Looks like it's getting ready to rain over there. That's what they're calling for.
Yeah, we probably got back just in time.
All right, load them up. See you load them up.
Come over.
Locked and loaded. Done. Is that a wrap?
Woo! It was a great day.
Your car's really dusty from this parking lot.
I know.
It's all right. These cars need to be dirty.
K5. MTB. Might as well.
The end.
See ya.
Good day.
Yeah, it was.
Hey, squatch gloves. All right, let's pack it up.
All right, let's
It's
do
3
it.
o'clock. Peace.